Ever wondered why automating your Windows PC still feels like wrestling a dragon in 2025? Endless clicking in legacy apps, manual downloads from sketchy sites, or scripting wars between Python and clunky macros that break on every update? What if one lightweight tool could handle mouse clicks, OCR text reading, file watching, and even bulk web scraping, all in simple text scripts? No coding degree required. That's Surtr, the fire-forged automation engine for Windows. Let's break it down in 5 minutes. Free open-source CLI automation powerhouse for Windows 10 and 11. At its core, it's a scripting language in plain dot as text files. Dot. Write one line to click an image, another to fetch a web page, and boom, your workflow runs autonomously. Key features that make it unstoppable. GUI domination, image-based mouse and keyboard control, plus OCR for reading screens or screenshots. No brittle coordinates. Smart logic, if-else conditions, loops, variables, and error-proofing to build bots that adapt. File and system mastery, watch folders for changes, auto-organize files, monitor CPU and RAM, and execute shell commands. Web superpowers, built-in fetcher for scraping HTML and JSON with selectors, plus multi-threaded downloads that crush IDM. Pro extras, macro recorder, JSON ops, pixel detection, and a web UI for remote control, Pro only. It's lightweight, 150 megabytes install, no Python deps, and runs from tray for stealth mode. Purpose? Reclaim your time from repetitive hell. Whether you're a gamer, macroing clicks, a dev prototyping bots, or a pen tester chaining GUI exploits. Surtr's purpose is simple. Solve the 80% of Windows pains that eat your day, without the bloat. Uses span gaming macros, data entry bots, sysadmin tasks, and web ops. Anything GUI or file-based. Example 1. Surtr watches for the accept button via image recognition and clicks it instantly. 0 missed games. Undetectable by anti-cheat. Example 2. Downloads folder. Nightmare? Files piling up like digital trash? Surtr's File Watcher monitors your folder, sorts JPGs to pictures, PDFs to docs. Bulk web grabs without hassle? Need 100 images from a site? Fetcher handles it. JSON task file with BS4 selectors, 8 thread segmented downloads, proxies for blocks, saving hours weekly. Now, how does Surtr stack up and win against the giants? It's not just another tool, it's the quick, sure-fast alternative to heavy hitters. Versus GUI automation beasts like AutoHotkey and UiPath. AHK is free but cryptic, hours debugging hotkeys that fail on DPI changes. UiPath, enterprise bloat, 500 megabytes plus install, thousands a year, for no-code flows that still need IT approval. Surtr defeats them with image/OCR precision, like Sickly, but 10 times lighter at 150 megabytes. Simple text scripts, no visual builders, and inline conditions. Prototype a bot in 5 lines versus their 50. In 2025 benchmarks, Surtr runs 3 times faster on legacy apps. No Python glue needed. Versus web scraping titans like Scrapy and Playwright, Scrapy rules Python devs with distributed crawls. But it's code heavy. Set up spiders, handle deps, debug selectors. Playwright shines for browser tests, but guzzles RAM for simple fetches. Surtr's fetcher integrates scraping, BS4/JSON parsing, directly into your automation flow. No separate projects. One CLI call, multi-threaded, proxy rotating, with AI-like task JSON. Beats Octoparse's no-code drag by being scriptable and free. Bottom line, Surtr's quick, sure, fast ethos. Text scripts over GUIs, integrated over siloed, defeats the heavies by being the one tool that does it all, lightweight and fierce. The edition on GitHub, Pro upgrade for WebUI remote magic. Download now, link in description, and script your first bot today. What will you automate? Comment below. Like if this sparked ideas, subscribe for weekly hacks. Thanks for watching. Now go unleash the fire.